Make a great choice today with the 2020 Taycan. The Porsche Taycan is an electric vehicle that still lives up to the hype of being a Porsche. Unmatched looks, power, and luxury, with the added plus of being an electric vehicle. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, security system. Come take a test drive today.